Alright, NT8 on the porch. I actually have a USS John S. McCain update today. For what it's worth. Singapore, their Coast Guard, Department of Transportation, whatever you want to call it, has come out with their findings. But they're quick to add, don't place blame on anybody from this report, and don't place liability on anybody from this report. What the hell is that? Anyway, the Singaporeans have come out and said the John S. McCain made a wild turn, which boils down to a steering casualty. But we now know that the idiots on the ship didn't know how to drive the ship correctly, because they had sailors from other ships that weren't qualified. Hell, even their own sailors weren't qualified to operate the helm and the lee helm and all the rest of that crap. So I guess that pretty much blows Florida Marquis right out the water, which is the reason that I entirely got on the subject of the Fitzgerald and the USS John S. McCain. Because he was putting out his fake lying bullshit, you know, but he's ex-Army intelligence, like he knows how it works on a U.S. Navy ship. Jeez, oh man. So, thanks to people like Bill McCandless and CG39 and several other Navy veterans that spoke up, commented, and said, yeah, this is bullshit. Florida Marquis is bullshit. So all you idiots that watch Florida Marquis and believe everything he comes up with, better get a grip on life, because you really have no clue. Fucking amazing. Alright, NT8 on the porch. We'll talk to you later.